His journey as an advocate began in the 1980s when he was admitted to the bar and went on to become one of the leading advocates of the Karnataka High Court bar. He was well revered amongst his peers and colleagues. In his interactions with and contributions to fellow members of the bar, as the chairman of this esteemed institution, namely Karnataka State Bar Council in 95-96, is fondly remembered by many of us. Coincidentally, Justice Shantanagowda and I were both appointed as additional judges of the Karnataka High Court on the same day, 12th May 2003. Again, when I was appointed as a permanent judge of the Karnataka High Court on 24 September 2004, it was with Mr. Justice Shantanagowda. Thereafter, Justice Shantanagowda went on to serve as a judge, the acting Chief Justice, and the Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court. Our paths coincided again in 2017 when my journey with Justice Shantanagowda continued at the Supreme Court, since we were both elevated to the Supreme Court together on the same day, 17th February 2017.
ಈ ಥರ humbleness, down to earth ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ, it is really very difficult. People change. We are all bound to change as we age, and as we acquire position, a lot of changes come within us. But a person where positions which he acquired never went into his system, he never allowed it to go into his system. That is the greatness of Mohan Shantanagowda. One example I just want to give. When he was elevated to Supreme Court, sir, he took 4 to 5 days on holidays, plus he was on a holiday, and visited all the bars of almost 18 bars of erstwhile Dharwad district. Now it is Hamari and other district. Each taluka bar he visited. And I accompanied him 3-4 talukas. I just asked him, why are you visiting all these taluka bars? He said, my journey from advocacy to a bar council started from here in these very bar associations. So I want to meet my erstwhile colleagues, the people who recognized me first. Now there are a lot of people who recognize me because I am elevated to Supreme Court. But then these people, when I was nobody, these people recognized me. And they stood by me continuously. So I owe the present elevation to Supreme Court to these very bar members. And he visited, and they have developed between Mohan Shantanagowda and himself. I am really thankful to you, sir. And all the Supreme Court judges, they have come all the way to give tribute. The tribute to Mohan Shantanagowda by all the justices is not only the tribute to the great Mohan Shantanagowda, it's a tribute to a very, very humane, common man and a great judge. It's a real tribute to all these characters where it was all imbibed in Mohan Shantanagowda. I'm really thankful to you, sir. And Karnataka State Bar Council, they have brought us together and allowed us to pay a tribute to Mohan Shantanagowda and think to do something where future will be a guiding path.
ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಹುದ್ದೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಮಾನವೀಯ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂಕಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವರ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಭರಿಸೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೊಂದು ಅದರ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪಾಲನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ.
He would often tell me, even towards the end, that ಶಿವ ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ ನಾ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. He would say, sir, that come what may, I'll be with you. I'll face anything which is given to me. You don't lose hope. He said this towards the very end. He was a man of strong character, firm ideas, and most of all a fighter. We feel, I and my family members feel that we have been cheated, that he has been taken away from us so soon. We will miss his smile, miss his laughter, miss his advice, miss his just mere presence. I am sure he is looking down on us today and still guiding us with his hands on our shoulder. I want to thank Bar Council for arranging this tribute, and I and my family members want to give our special gratitude to Honorable Justice N.V. Ramana.
It is with a deep sense of sorrow that I have come here to pay tribute to my late brother Justice Mohan Shantaragowda, my brother Judge, who passed away on 24th April 2021. In losing him, the country has lost a common man's judge. I have personally lost a most cherished friend and a valuable colleague. Brother Shantaragowda had a humble origin. He was born in a village in a remote place of Karnataka. I place on record a deep sense of gratitude to Brother Mohan Shantaragowda's contribution to Indian judiciary, the country's jurisprudence, and his friendship throughout our time together on the Supreme Court. My deepest condolences for his loss. I'd also like to give my regards to Madam Srimati Sunita Shantaragowda, Justice Shantaragowda's loving wife, and Sivaprasad, Seta, his daughter-in-law, and Pooja Shantaragowda. Justice Shantaragowda's loving children who stood by him in every way. I specifically remember Sivaprasad dedicating his 24/7 for Brother Shantaragowda's care. I tried my level best in the entire world, whom I know, each and every doctor we called, and we tried to provide best medical health and care. Unfortunately, it could not succeed.
ಈ ದಿನ ದಿವಂಗತ ಮೋಹನ್ ಶಾಂತನಗೌಡರವರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವಕೀಲರ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾರತದ ಸರ್ವೋಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದಂಥ ಎನ್ ವಿ ರಮಣ ಅವರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ವೋಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದಂಥ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ನಜೀರ್ ಅವರು, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಬೋಪಣ್ಣರವರು, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಭಯ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಓಕಾ ಅವರವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಾಗರತ್ನರವರು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಘನ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಲಾ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು, ಮಾಧುಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರು, ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಹಾಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೋಹನ್ ಶಾಂತನಗೌಡರವರ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಹಿಂದಿನವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಕೀಲನ ಮಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ದಿಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಕಾಲಿಕವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮರಣವನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಿದ್ರು, ಅವರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಕೀಲನನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವರ್ಕರ್ನಿಗೂ ಸಂದ ಗೌರವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೋಹನ್ ಶಾಂತನಗೌಡರ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರವಾಗಿತ್ತು ವಕೀಲಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಕ್ಕಲತನ ಎರಡೂ ಒಂದೇ, ವಕೀಲಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಕ್ಕಲತನ ಒಂದೇ ನಾಣ್ಯದ ಎರಡು ಮುಖಗಳು, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಷ್ಠತೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕಲಿಕೆ ಎರಡೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದು.